At first glance, the USB jig looks like a simple USB connector. It is very small and usually does not have any buttons. But despite its simple shape, screens, or complex electronics, it has a very specific purpose, especially with older Samsung phones. So what exactly is a USB jig? A USB jig is a small device that is plugged into the charging port of a phone. Its main function is to force the phone to enter a special mode called download mode. This mode is used by technicians to flash firmware, repair software problems, or recover a device that is stuck in a boot loop. When the USB jig is connected to the phone while it is powered off, the phone detects a specific electrical resistance on certain pins of the USB port. This resistance sends a signal to the phone telling it to automatically boot into download mode. In many Samsung devices, the resistance used in a USB jig is around 300 kiloohms, or the phone cannot respond properly. Resistance is a special service signal. Because of this, many technicians and hobbyists can even build their own USB jig using a USB connector and a 300K resistor. Now the interesting question is, what is actually inside a USB jig? From the outside it looks like a normal USB plug, but inside it is surprisingly simple. In most cases, there is no chip, no microcontroller, and no complex circuit. Inside the USB jig you will usually find only one main component, a resistor. This resistor connects two specific pins inside the USB connector. By placing the correct resistance between these pins, the phone recognizes it as a service tool and activates download mode automatically. So in reality, the USB jig is one of the simplest tools in phone repair. But it can be extremely useful. Now let's do something interesting. We are going to open this USB jig and see what is actually inside. From the outside, it looks sealed. But with a small tool we can carefully open the plastic casing. As we open it, we can finally see the internal structure. And just as expected, there is no complicated circuit board. There is only a small resistor soldered between the USB pins. This tiny resistor is the secret behind the USB jig. Such a simple component, but it can control how a phone boots and can help technicians repair devices that cannot be fixed in the normal way. This shows us that sometimes even the smallest electronic components can have very important functions. So next time you see a USB jig, remember that inside this tiny tool there is only a simple resistor. But it plays a big role in mobile phone repair.